Hello, dear students. This is the second part of this activity that is future plans. It's about the use of be going to talk about future plans. And well, so be going to is just to talk about future plans. Example, I am going to study engineering next year. Two, be going to is used to talk about predictions. Example, look at the sky. It's gray and cloudy. It is going to rain. So basically, be going to is used to talk about future plans and predictions too. In positive sentences, so remember, we need to take into account that to be changes according to the subject. So I am going to, you with they are going to, he, she, it is going to. So I am going to travel, they are going to read a book, he is going to make a cake. Negative form is just adding not after the verb to be. So I'm not going to travel, they are not going to read a book, he's not going to make a cake. Questions is just changing the order of, it's just writing to be before the subject. So am I going to travel? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are they going to read a book? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Is he going to make a cake? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. So in Spanish expression, I am going to travel means yo voy a viajar. They are going to read a book. They are going to read a book means ellos van a leer un libro. He is going to make a cake. Él va a hacer una torta, un pastel. Okay? So that's the meaning of I'm going to, be going to. I'm not going to travel. Yo no voy a viajar. They are not going to read a book. Ellos no van a leer un libro. He's not going to make a cake. Él no va a preparar o a hacer una torta. Okay, next. Well, basically, this is the use of be going to. So, what are you going to do next week? Well, next week I am going to play video games, or I am going to visit my grandparents, or my mom is going to go shopping, my dad is going to work, my friends are going to play soccer. What are you going to do next weekend? I am going to study math, I am going to read a book, I am going to send emails. My mom is going to visit her friends. Mi mamá va a visitar a sus amigos. My dad is going to travel. Mi papá va a viajar. I am going to study math. Yo voy a estudiar matemáticas. I am going to read a book. Yo voy a leer un libro. I am going to send emails. Yo voy a enviar correos. Okay, that's it. Basically, be going to is just for plans, and it's really, really easy. In this activity, you are going to answer these questions about your plans, like what are you going to do next class? After this class, I am going to, for example, after this class, I am going to eat some food. I am going to do my homework. I am going to take a shower, and that's it. You're going to answer these questions in front of this, and also you're going to match in this activity. You're going to put the numbers next to the picture that stands for each sentence. Example, they are going to win the lottery, or she is going to iron the clothes. So you look at the most appropriate. In this case, it would be number 2 because she is going to iron the clothes. Ella va a planchar la ropa. And that's it. After that, we are going to match the verbs like be, crash, cook, fall, have, plan, rain, study, swim, watch. Example, here play. Why not? In this case, it would be play. Maybe watch TV here. So you can say that this is watch. So what you're going to do is you're going to use is going to, and you add a verb. Like, for example, he is going to fall into the hole. and you're going to use one verb like fall. He's going to fall into the hole. So you put the verb here. It would be number one. It would be this one. So you put the number here. Fall into the hole. Él se va a caer en el hueco. So you use the verb fall and you write. Okay. So number two, it is going to any minute now. And look, you just use the verbs to match the sentence with be going to. In a swimming pool, this one. She's going to swim. She's going to swim in the swimming pool. They are going to watch TV. That's it. And finally, we're going to read. We're going to do some reading. Read about 3 different people. They are talking about their plans, and here we have different future forms like using will and be going to. So we're going to read about 3 different people, and then we're going to answer these questions. Finally, you need to answer these questions about you using be going to. What are you going to do after this class? For example, I am going to study math. I am going to eat some food. I am going to drink water. And that's it. So you need to answer these questions in English words. That's it, dear students. That's this activity about the use of be going to. Thank you very much.